How to get 30% off discount on Mango Shop for women. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser. In the search bar, search for shop.mango.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three line icon. Scroll below, then tap on sale. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply select your choices. Simply tap on the one you would like to see the sale for. And just like that, when you tap onto it, you will be able to find the sale item right over here. You can also look for the promo codes like sale 30 or so on and apply the code during the checkout session to unlock extra discounts. To save even more, you can sign up for Mango emails, check exclusive app deals, and combine sale items with promo codes. But remember, Mango does not always offer fixed discounts, so you need to grab deeper when they are available. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.